Dear President Obama, we welcome you with open arms, and now what do? You now threaten the very thing that we fight for, and that is freedom of the internet. Your fascist proposal to be able to control the internet and shut it down, if you deem it necessary, has caught the eye of Anonymous. You can now consider yourself an enemy along with the entire United States Congress. Tell me, Mr. President, when has it become acceptable to rob the very freedoms that your forefathers set? We once had freedom, now we have censors, surveillance and regulations. You now have complete control of us and can access any one of our personal information at whim. You now made privacy a crime. For this we cannot stand. Do you not think people are watching you this very moment? We know everything about you, and what you're doing is not going to go unpunished. People, we have to stand up for our right to privacy. Who are they to invade our space? Just imagine someone is watching everything you are doing on the internet. Scary, right? Well, that's just the beginning. They now have access to banking information, telecommunications, and even our energy use. If we do not speak out, then nothing can be accomplished. Senator J. Rockefeller, President Obama, we do not forgive these restrictions. We do not forget about the freedoms you have robbed from us. This will not last long, and you, my friend, can count on it. We are Anonymous, we are Legion, we do not forgive, we do not forget, and we are just getting started. Expect us.